For Associate Professor Muireann Irish, researching the causes of dementia has always been personal. She was 17 when her grandmother was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease.
And that really resonated strongly with me. It made me question, how could someone lose all of these connections that we'd formed? What was going on in my grandmother's brain? And I really wanted to understand and try and help. Associate Professor Irish now leads a research team at the University of Sydney's Brain and Mind Centre. Their aim is to understand the neural mechanisms that are compromised in people presenting with dementia and how that relates to memory. We started combining structural neuroimaging techniques with quite sophisticated ways of capturing autobiographical memories from the past. And in parallel with this study, I started investigating how memory for the past might support your capacity to envisage the future. Then came a breakthrough, a symptom that no one had previously detected in dementia. Patients who had intact memories from their recent experiences were unable to envisage their future. And the more studies that we conducted, the more we realised that this was actually transdiagnostic. It was occurring across all of our dementia syndromes, irrespective of the underlying pathology. The team also identified the affected brain systems. And this again was a novel finding for the field because to that point people had been focusing on the hippocampus, which is the classic memory store. And we showed that the anterior temporal lobes, which support semantic processing, were actually really fundamentally important in that process as well. In other words, merely having a store of memories is not enough to help you plan for the future. Research such as hers is vital for development of treatments. I think there's a lot that we need to do within that space in terms of really targeting the types of interventions that we trial towards the nature of the memory impairment in the individual. So what might work for one person may not necessarily transfer to another. Associate Professor Irish has been awarded the Gottschalk Medal for outstanding research in biomedical sciences. She's thankful for the honour and says it will help drive her continuing mission to understand the process of memory. Memory is one of the things that makes us fundamentally who we are, and memory is so important for our sense of identity, our sense of continuity across time, and our sense of being able to envisage that we are going somewhere.